Yes, hello there. This is a demonstration of how to use some variables and some constants in Python 3. We're just going to be manipulating a couple of strings here, and we'll also use an if statement, probably an elif and an else as well. So let's get going. Okay, name equals inputs. Obviously this is me typing in a standard variable. Please enter your name. Okay, pretty simple. So here, obviously, we're assigning the input statement, what you type into the console, into the variable called name. Okay, I could also input something else. Let's make it about ice cream. Never a bad thing to do. So, which ice cream would you like? Chocolate. Let's keep it choc. Or vanilla. Okay, that should work nicely. So we have two variables here now. Let's just say below are two variables to capture the user input. Makes sense? Okay, let's go for some constants. So we'll do choc equals 3. This is the cost. So I'm going to say this is a constant because its value will not change over the course of the program running. Let's do vanilla also as a constant. Same here. This cost is €2 whilst the program runs. In other words, the choc constant has been assigned a number, a value of 3, and this can represent euros. Vanilla constant has been assigned a value of 2. The reason why this is a constant is because it's an unchanging data entity. You don't have to, within the program running, you don't have to change anything within these two little identifiers. The variables will. The name variable could take any name, as could the ice cream, could take either chocolate or vanilla, whatever else you like. But in this case, we're looking for two constants. A constant there of the cost of €3 that will not change while the program's running, and then vanilla. If you then wanted to go back and change the value of chocolate or vanilla, no problem, but you do it outside of the program running, which means that you're then coding it at the back end, if you like, which means that it's not a variable in the sense that it's changing its value whilst running. It's outside of the program running. Hope that makes sense. Let's give it a go. If ice cream equals choc, then you print. This is really simple code. The chocolate, spell that. Hey, come on. Ice cream costs choc euros. Got to be careful of my space here, because of course the comma separator always puts a space in. Anyway, there we go. That's better. That should work. Otherwise, of course, elif ice cream is vanilla. Then we'll print the vanilla ice cream costs, let's say, well, we know it's 2 because it's a constant, but we'll say vanilla. So I'm referring to the constant here in the code. Otherwise, I guess you've not typed it in, else just say print I do not understand, or please type it again or something. Okay. Okay. Let's save this. Save constants demo.py is a good name, so I've chosen that name. Yep, fine. And we're going to run this. So please enter your name, Bob. Which ice cream would you like, choc or vanilla? So I'm going to choose choc. The chocolate ice cream costs €3. Let's run it again. Here comes Alice. Which ice cream would you like, choc or vanilla? So I'm going to go for vanilla. The vanilla ice cream costs €2. You can see it's operating, fully functioning. And hopefully this is a good demonstration. The chocolate value doesn't change during the course of the program running, therefore it can be a constant. The vanilla similarly can be a constant, but these two are variables. They change according to what the user's typed in. So the user input will affect their value, obviously. Okay, hope that's of use to you and it makes sense. Yes, thank you, goodbye.